Welcome to Bike Studio. For years, the Suzuki Mehran was known as Pakistan's most affordable and reliable car. After its discontinuation, car enthusiasts longed for its return. Now, in 2025, Suzuki has surprised everyone by reviving the Mehran with a modern twist. Let's dive into what the new Suzuki Mehran has to offer. A fresh design with classic roots. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran retains its familiar compact shape but now features a sleeker, more aerodynamic design. With updated headlights, a bolder grille, and sharper body lines, it has a more modern appeal while staying true to its practical nature. Suzuki has also introduced new color options, giving buyers more variety. Improved performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the new Mehran is powered by a fuel-efficient 800 cubic centimeters engine, upgraded with modern technology for better mileage and reduced emissions. The lightweight body enhances performance while maintaining the simplicity that made it a favorite. Whether in urban areas or on highways, the 2025 Mehran promises smooth and economical rides. Interior upgrades and features. The outdated dashboard is now replaced with a digital speedometer and an infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity. Comfortable fabric seats and improved legroom make the interior more user-friendly. While still a budget-friendly car, Suzuki has added essential features like power steering, air conditioning, and better sound insulation for a quieter ride. Safety and price. Unlike its predecessors, the 2025 Mehran includes basic safety features such as airbags, seatbelt reminders, and an improved braking system. As for pricing, Suzuki aims to keep it as affordable as possible, making it one of the best entry-level cars for budget-conscious buyers. The new Suzuki Mehran is a perfect mix of nostalgia and modern-day practicality. What are your thoughts on its comeback? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned to Bike Studio for more updates.